Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another stuffing my cash envelopes and budgeting my bills. I am so excited. I am super happy about how this week turned out paycheck wise, but we're going to go over my income and then we are going to do my bills and write down how much I need to take out of the bank, and then we will get to stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. Now, I got paid on the 12th, which is today when you are watching this, and I estimated $1,200, but I actually got paid $1,337, so that is an extra $137, and I'm super proud of myself. I worked my butt off. I did a lot of overtime. I took call for the hospital, and I'm just really proud of myself because it's coming down to the wire because of Disney's coming up and everything, and I just want to save as much money as possible. So, first off, bills. We have just the regular bills as always. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. Now we're going to go down each bills and I'm going to tell you how much I'm going to put in. American Eagle is my credit card that I'm working to pay off. Usually it runs about $80 and I get paid twice a month, sometimes sometimes 3 times a month. That only happens maybe twice a year. But with my American Eagle, it's usually about $84. So we are going to write down $42 for paycheck number 1. Rent is usually around $500. The total is usually about $1,100, but my boyfriend and I live together, so we split it. So we're going to put $282. Student loans is the next thing that I'm trying to pay off, and that is usually $164. So I pay $127. So I pay $64 first paycheck. Now I just messed that up for the rent. $282. Light bill, I'm not going to put anything in there right now because I actually get paid before the bill is due again. I get paid 2 more times before the bill's due, so that is completely fine. MediaCom, me and my boyfriend split it. They're usually $70, so I'm going to put $35. Gym is usually taken out around the 26th or 27th, and it's about $35, so that is $17 that I'm going to put in. Car is $250. Now it's usually $498. Yes, I know it's a very high bill, but I have a lifetime warranty on it that makes my bill go up, and it covers like my oil change, tire rotations, all that stuff. So it's fine to pay the extra money for me. Phone is, we upgraded in May, and June was our highest bill. July went down a little bit, so it was only $100 this time, and then it should go down a little bit more, and then I should only be paying $80 in September. $85. I can't remember, but so we are going to total all of this out. So that's 42, 282, 64, 35, 17, 250, and oop, messed that one up. It says $740. Now I'm going to write down here to see what my difference is. Out of 1337 minus 740, that is $597 that we can actually use. So I am going to transfer most of these to my savings because they're not due until the end of the month. So I'm going to transfer that, and then we're going to flip over to my sinking fund. actually not my sinking funds. That's going to be on a different video. We are going to do the weekly check-in. So we have $497 to work with. No, $597. I'm just messing all that up. We have $597 to work with. So with the cash envelope, I have, we usually do $100 for groceries. So we're going to get 250s. And then we are doing gas, which will be $60. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then fun money is $60 also. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then since Disney is coming up so fast, I'm challenging myself not to eat out the next 2 weeks. Like, I can't eat out. That's I want to see if I can do it, and maybe I can like see a difference in the scale or something like that. I'm not sure, but I'm going to challenge myself not to eat out. I usually have $40 in my cash envelope for eating out, but this time none. So I hope I can do it. I need y'all's support that I can do it. It's going to be a long 2 weeks because I like to eat out. Me and my boyfriend like to eat out. I like to eat out with my family, my brothers, any special occasions, which there is an occasion coming up this weekend, but it will be fine. All right. And then I'm going to write down in the bottom. So my cushion, it's going to be $100. So that's going to stay in my debit card. So let's subtract 220 and then subtract 100. So it's $277 that we can use for sinking fund. Now that is going to be in the next video that has already been up. But yeah, so I am going to actually run to the bank, and this is actually going to be what I'm going to get out for my cash envelope. Not for my sinking funds. You will see that later. But it is for my cash envelopes, and then we will get to stuffing, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we are back from the bank, and I got my cash out for my cash envelopes. Just to let you know, I have the Dave Ramsey envelope, like I said, but let's get to stuffing. So, groceries, we are going to put $100 every week. Now, let's see if we have any money in there. Okay, and we have $10, so we're going to set that aside. We also have some coins that I'm going to have to get rid of, so. Alright, so we're going to put $100, and that's going to last us for 2 weeks. Next is gas. Gas, I do $60, $2.40, and $60. Let's see if we have any money in there. Seems thick, but yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Set that aside, and I'm going to put $60 in gas. Alright, and then fun money, I have nothing, but we're going to put $60. That's how much we put in every 2 weeks. Alright, and then eating out, like I said, I'm going to challenge myself not to eat out for the next 2 weeks since we are going to Disney. Got to save as much money as possible. It's going to be a struggle, but I believe that we can make it. So last week we saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And plus from my cushion I have $16. Now $16 is going to just stay in the bank because I am actually going to use that to pay for my ACT, and you will see that in my sinking fund video. But yeah, so that is everything, you guys. That is my stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you would like to see more of these videos, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later, and hopefully y'all have a great weekend, good paycheck. Go and do some budgeting, go and do some Ibotta deals or couponing or whatever you fancy, and I will see you guys later. Bye.